Hello, my friends. I apologize for the mess here, but I just did a pour, which is probably the previous pour on my channel, and I have some leftover paint, so I'm using the same surface, and I'm going to do another one with the same colors. I'm doing two companion pieces to this one. This was video number 69. I don't know what number this one will be. 80 something. And anyway, that's my plan. So so I'm using the same color for 3 different pours, same colors, different techniques. That was a flip cup. The second one was a swipe, and this one will be Dutch pour. So I took the leftover paints I had and I thinned them down further, and here we go. I just love the gold against the black. Ah, it's pretty. And it gives a nice shimmer on the blue as well. Maybe I'll add a little bit of blue I have left here. I don't think I'll add it in black. Okay. Oh, yeah, maybe I should. A little bit. I've got swipe on the mind, so I'm not really thinking about Dutch pour. Don't have too much left here, and you can probably see the sides. I'm going to have to mix up some paint and hand paint the sides, but I had to get good coverage on the top. Okay, here we go. On high and cool. Well, let's see. I'm liking that. I like this area. It's too much plain blue, I think. I wonder, do I have any left? Yeah, I could put some here and come down that way. I think, oh gosh, that's so pretty. That 14 karat gold, the extreme sheen, is just amazing. It's so beautifully rich. Yeah, I think I have to do that. Okay. Huh. Now I wish I hadn't added anything up there now that I've tilted it this much. I think I'd prefer that to be all blue. I think what I shall do is scrape that off, and then when I mix more blue to cover the edges, I'll pour that on there. Yep. That's what I'm going to do. I think. I don't like this. Let's see if I can skim it off. Not really, but I can get a better idea of solid blue, what that would look like, and I think I like that. Okay, yeah, that needs some work, but I think it's better. What do you think? Did I ruin it by tilting it? I rather like it. I wonder. I think I'm going to leave it alone. There's some interesting things happening. Let me bring you in a little closer. Love that gold where it meets the black. I like this area. It looks like oh, some special rock. I can't think of what it would be called if there's such a thing, but it's quite pretty. That's a little odd there. I'm sorry about the light, but it's nighttime now. I can't turn it off. So yeah, I'm just going to fix that whole top section with solid blue. And there, that's kind of the whole thing. Yeah, I'm not sold on it, but I don't hate it. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Okay, well, I'm back. So I repaired the blue. It's a little bit lighter than this, but I'm not bothered by that. But I don't like this area. I like the black. I like the transition into the blues and the gold. And lapis lazuli, that's the gemstone rock I was trying to come up with in this area. I still like that a lot, but I don't like this area. So what I'm going to do is the same thing I did with the other two paintings, and that way it'll tie them all together. I'm going to do some black lines across the area I don't like. So I hope I don't regret it. And here we go. And they're a little thicker than I wanted. Why is that? I wonder why they're thicker. I didn't thin the paint down enough. I had to mix some more. I'm going to do one more. I always like odd number of things. There, that's going to be it. Well, I'm happier with it. If you've been watching me any length of time at all, you know that I love lines. It's one of the 7 basic elements of design, and I'm a big fan of them. I know some of you do not like them, but I think it added an unexpected pop of interest there, so I'm done with it. Let me know what you think. And when they're all dry, I'll show you the 3 together. Now I'm not liking the first one I did, so I may have to redo that one completely. But for now, I'm finished with this color combo. Thanks for sticking with me. Bye-bye.